Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with instructions to help you to remove the new ransomware that is called Dehd, D-E-H-D. This is a special extension that is added by the ransomware called Dehd. So this ransomware encrypts all popular file types in Windows operating system. And then after the encryption is successful, the ransomware adds the special Dehd extension, DEHD. As I have said before, this ransomware is the part of the DJVU ransomware family. So before the ransomware actually affects the files, people can open them without any complications. They can open all sorts of file types easily, but because of the ransomware attack, the files may be pretty easily encrypted, and then the ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for the file restoration. It might be that you will not immediately discover the files to be encrypted, but it might happen that after you restart the system and then start your computer back again, you might notice that these problems have started to occur and that you are no longer able to access your files. Whenever you try to open them, you notice that the special Dehd extension has been added to the data. Then the ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for file recovery, which is $980 but paying the ransom definitely does not guarantee that the files would be restored. So please do not ever pay the ransom. We strongly advise that you immediately remove this ransomware. Well, first thing you could do is to carefully research the task manager of your computer, and if you find any suspicious processes here which could be related to this ransomware, it's a good idea that you right-click on them and end their task in order to stop the further file encryption. Now, to remove the ransomware, I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware. It has a good anti-ransomware database that can properly detect all the malicious components of this ransomware. So download Combo Cleaner through the official website combocleaner.com using this green download Combo Cleaner button. Install the application, then start researching your device with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect this Dehd ransomware, to remove it effectively, and to protect your data from further file encryption. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database to make sure that all the threats and all the ransomware traces are effectively detected. So after the anti-malware database is updated, the program will install these updates and will start scanning your computer. Then Combo Cleaner will detect all other threats that could be possibly concealed on the system. You will see the summary of threats at the end of the scanning. So the report will state the exact name of the threat, and it will also show you its exact location on your computer. Then at the end of the scanning, you will be able to get to that location of each specific detected threat and remove each single threat manually by going to that location and deleting it. Or we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium version of the program in order to neutralize all these threats automatically and have your computer and your files protected. There is a special feature in Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware, the part of the premium license only, and it lets you add certain folders in your computer that will be properly protected against all sorts of malware or ransomware attacks in the future. So as I said, after the scanning is over, you may remove each thread manually or automatically with the premium license of the program.